Want to head to Washington now for the latest on Hong Kong and the move by the U.S. to delay some tariffs on China. Eamon Javers has that story this morning. Eamon.
Yeah, Andrew, I think the vibe here is that the White House is taking a soft touch approach on both of these problems that it's facing, both the trade war situation with Beijing and also the Hong Kong protests, which affect the White House's relationship with Beijing. Here's a statement that we got late yesterday from a senior administration official on those protests in Hong Kong that shut down the airport for 2 days. The senior administration official saying freedoms of expression and assembly are core values that we share with the people of Hong Kong, and these freedoms should be protected. The United States firmly rejects the notion that we are sponsoring or inciting the demonstrations. So the White House pushing back on this idea that the United States has anything to do with these protests that are happening in Hong Kong, but also taking a soft touch approach there. You notice that the senior administration official did not want him or herself to be named. We haven't seen a cavalcade of administration officials running to the talk shows, running in front of cameras to talk about Hong Kong. They've been keeping fairly mum about this, just issuing that statement. And then we saw the president yesterday also taking a soft touch approach to the tariffs. As you guys have been discussing, here's how the president explained his decision to postpone some of those tariffs and also to offer some exemptions yesterday, talking to reporters.
We're doing this for Christmas season, just in case some of the tariffs would have an impact on U.S. customers, which so far they've had virtually none.
So the president there saying he's doing it to protect the Christmas season in case the tariffs would have an impact on consumers. Now, that's an awkward straddle for the White House, because remember, the White House has been insisting so far that the tariffs don't impact consumers. The president says the tariffs are paid by China, which is not true. They've also insisted that consumers are not going to see price increases. Here, though, the president is saying he's pulling the tariffs back in order to make sure that they don't see price increases between now and the Christmas shopping season. So the president taking some steps here in the face of economic and political reality going into 2020 that he doesn't want to see any price increases in this Christmas season, guys.